Good day everyone, my name is Joshua Vizcaino from HM501P. So in this video we will be learning reorder point or ROP and economic order quantity or EOQ. So let's first discuss what is reorder point. So the reorder point or ROP is a specific inventory level that triggers the action to place a new order for a particular item to replenish stock. So here we have the example. If the company's expected daily usage is 50 bottles of water, the anticipated delivery is 7 to 10 days. When will the company place the order? So the formula here of reorder point equals usage is 50 bottles times lead time, which is 7 to 10 days, plus safety stock, which is 3 days. So how did we get the safety stock? By subtracting the lead time, 7 days and 10 days. So we got 3 days, that is the safety stock. So 50 times 7 is 350 and 50 times 3 is 150. So we added it and we got 500 bottles of water. Therefore, the company should make the order when level of inventory is at 500 bottles of water. So moving on, let's tackle about economic order quantity. So what is economic order quantity? The economic order quantity or EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stock. So the formula of getting the economic order quantity is by solving the square root of 2 times ordering cost times number of units divided by carrying cost. Under the EOQ, we have the number of the other formulas, which is the number of orders per year or NO, total ordering cost per year or TOC, average inventory or AI, total carrying cost per year or TCC, and last one, total cost or TC. So here is our example. So the numbers of jar is 10,000, cost of placing an order is 10 pesos, and the annual carrying cost per year jar of inventory is 0.80 pesos. So we have to determine the following: EOQ, numbers of order per year, total ordering cost per year, average inventory, total carrying cost per year, and total cost. So solving EOQ using square root of 2 times ordering cost, which is 10 times number of jars, which is 1,000 divided by the carrying cost, which is 0.80 pesos. So our EOQ now is 500 jars. For number of orders per year, numbers of jar, 10,000 divided by EOQ, 500 jars. So for number of orders per year is 20 orders. For total ordering cost per year or TOC, 20 orders times ordering cost 10 pesos equals 200 pesos for total ordering cost per year. Next, average inventory or AI. EOQ is 500 jars divided by 2 equals 250 jars for average inventory. Next, total carrying cost per year or TCC, average inventory times carrying cost 0.080 pesos equals 200 pesos for all total carrying cost per year. Now for the last, total cost, total ordering cost per year, which is 200 pesos plus the total carrying cost per year, which is 200 pesos, added both to get the total cost, which is 400 pesos.